Hello everyone. I'm ready with another interesting story. Do you want to speak English fluently from the comfort of your home? Watch this inspiring story and learn step-by-step tips to transform your English skills. Don't forget to subscribe for daily English learning videos and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip. How to start speaking English at home daily. Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a young woman named Priya. She was ambitious and dreamed of excelling in her career. However, she had one major hurdle: her confidence in speaking English. She often found herself hesitating, unable to express her thoughts clearly, even though she had a decent understanding of the language. One day, Priya's mentor at work, Mr. Sharma, advised her, if you want to master English, you must make it a part of your daily life. Why don't you start practicing at home? Intrigued by the idea, Priya decided to give it a try. That evening, she created a plan to incorporate English into her daily routine at home. Day 1. The mirror practice. Priya stood in front of her mirror and greeted herself in English. Good evening, Priya. How was your day? She initially fumbled but pushed herself to continue. She narrated her day aloud, describing her tasks, feelings, and plans for the next day. This simple exercise helped her become comfortable hearing herself speak English. Day 2. Setting the environment. To immerse herself further, Priya switched her phone, laptop, and TV settings to English. She started watching English movies with subtitles, listening to English songs, and even reading English novels aloud. By surrounding herself with the language, she felt more connected to it. Day 3. Talking to objects. Feeling more confident, Priya began speaking to the objects around her house. Hello, cup. You look shiny today. I'm going to fill you with coffee now. This quirky exercise helped her practice vocabulary and sentence formation without any fear of judgment. Day 7. A family pact. Priya involved her younger brother, Rohan, in her journey. They made a pact to communicate only in English at home. While they stumbled initially, it turned into a fun activity. They corrected each other's mistakes and even played word games to enhance their vocabulary. Week 2. Daily English Diary. Priya started maintaining an English diary. Every night, she would write about her day in detail and read it aloud. This not only improved her writing skills but also helped her gain fluency in speaking. Week 3. Role-playing games. To make learning enjoyable, Priya and Rohan created role-playing scenarios. Sometimes they pretended to be at a restaurant, ordering food, and other times they acted as travelers at an airport. These activities made learning practical and fun. Week 4. Video challenges. By the 4th week, Priya's confidence had grown immensely. She decided to record herself speaking in English and shared short videos with her friends for feedback. Their encouragement motivated her further. 1 month later, after a month of consistent effort, Priya noticed a remarkable transformation. She no longer hesitated while speaking English. Her sentences were more structured, and her vocabulary had expanded significantly. One evening, at a team meeting, Priya confidently presented her ideas in English. Her colleagues were impressed, and her boss praised her for her clarity and communication skills. Priya's journey taught her that mastering a language requires consistent effort and creativity. She realized that learning English at home wasn't just about speaking, it was about creating an environment where the language thrived naturally. The moral of the story: if you want to start speaking English at home daily, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, involve your family or friends, and make the process enjoyable. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Answer: Priya's story became an inspiration for many who wanted to embrace English as a part of their daily lives.